Ways to start an online business. This has been considered as one of the best online home-based business course with high-demand online business training. People who want to earn from online businesses are desperate to know how to start building or expand their businesses. This is for a reason. Internet businesses are becoming more and more popular these days, and a lot of people are entering this business. They want to know where to start, how to start, and what businesses to start. In this course, we will look into 5 business models that do not require a lot of investment and therefore have very little chances of failure, if done right, of course. Don't worry, you not only learn what these business models are but also that why are these models so successful and how you can get started and gain success as well. We are using our years of experience as digital marketers and internet entrepreneurs to create this course. The goal of this course is to put you on a workable track that will enable to start getting tangible results within days. Have you spent months trying to figure out how others are making fortunes on the internet and find a way to replicate the process, but failed? A simple no BS internet marketing course that will teach you to create online businesses that work. Our idea behind this course is to provide you with 5 super successful business models that have made thousands of online business owners billions and continue to make them more. You just have to learn the concepts in this course, imitate what we explain and how each business model works, and there is no way you can fail again. This course is not a one-time or event sort of gig with instant money solutions. We are talking business here. These business models, when applied the right way, not only make you money but will keep making you money over and over again. Hundreds of our students started working on these models as a part-time business, and now they are making at least 4-figure income every month. You can also earn more than what your regular full-day work pays you. One of the biggest reasons that new online business owners fail is not taking action. Most people who want to make money online never go past the planning stage. Therefore, they never succeed. Don't go for perfection right from the start. Start slow. Start in any way you can, but just get your business out to the public and be seen. You might get some criticism, but eventually, you will make it big. Stay consistent and focused and we can guarantee you success. Don't try to wear too many hats or start with more than one business model at once. We are providing you insight into 5 models for you to see which model suits you the best. Just focus on that until you can see money coming in. By taking this course, you will have a good insight into 5 brilliant business to make money online. You will also know how each of these business models is working in the real world and making money. We have explained each business model with an example so that you can also understand how other successful online entrepreneurs are making money. We will critically evaluate each example, discovering the action plan in each model and deriving a success blueprint that you can replicate and gain success as well.